This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we have new handheld AAA gaming device, AYANEO 2. Starting at $999. Comes with powerful Windows 11 pre-installed. Some manuals. Charging cable. Quick charger. AYANEO 2 comes with power of Ryzen 7 6800U processor and 1 TB space option. Buttons and joysticks are very responsible and everything looks so premium. What do you think about this handheld gaming device? Let me know in the comments. Let's power on this device. Wow! Guys, did you see this? There is LEDs under the joysticks. "7-inch no-bezel display, good enough for handy gaming device like this. And this variant has 1200p display. Let's do some gaming. But before that, subscribe if you don't. Just press that red button, no matter what." Marvel's Spider-Man, Miles Morales. 800p low settings, FSR 2.1 performance.
An eyesore, secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed. Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Be there soon. Hey, watch it.
GTA 5. 1200p normal settings. God of War. 1200p original settings.
Get in the boat, boy.
Twelve 1200p original settings, AMD FSR 2.0 Ultra performance.
What are you doing? Now his guard is up. Stay back.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.